Very good morning to all my dear children. Before starting our class, I have to inform one thing. We are having result declaration of EV1 and EV2 on 26th December. This message already declared on global board. You already know, as we can't able to take oral exam in this pandemic, instead of oral, we are taking internal 10 marks from monthly worksheet for EV1 and Diwali assignment for EV2. So those who had not submitted worksheet and assignment, please submit by Monday itself. Otherwise, your internal marks 10 marks will not be added. So please submit by Monday itself. Yes, now all be ready with our English textbook, notebook and cursive practice book. Okay? Yes, let's start. Now you all are having your books. So first of all, take out our English textbook. English textbook. Last Saturday, we learned about understanding sentences. We had done flashcard activity, real objects activities like that. And we had done this exercise also. Once again, I am repeating the same. Just see here. Take page number 5050. Page number 50. Yes, see. First one. I all read with me. You all know to read. In the last session we had learned it how to read and write. Let's see. I eat my food. I eat my food. What we have to do? We have to search the pictures. Related to this sentence. I eat my food. Yes. Number 4. We are already done here. Number 4. Yes. He is eating his food. I eat my food. Then second one. An aeroplane flies in the sky. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Number 5. See this one. This picture. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Then third one. It is my school. It is my school. Here is it. It is my school. Number 1. Then next sentence. Sam has a blue cap. Sam has a blue cap. Where is it? Here is it. Sam has a, he is Sam. Sam is having a what? Blue color cap. Sam has a blue cap. Number here you put number 6. Then next sentence. Anuj, A-N-U-J, Anuj can paint. Anuj can paint. Number 2. Anuj can paint. Anuj is painting here. Anuj can paint. Then last sentence. Simran sits on a red mat. Simran is sitting on a red color mat. Simran is sitting on a red color mat. Simran sits on a red mat. That is number 3. Finished all. Page numbers 51 and 53 we can do afterwards. 52 already completed. Yes, now all take page number 54. Page number 54. Blends. In the last session we learned about blends. सबको याद है blends? Yes, what do you mean by blends? 2 letters together make one sound. 2 letters together make one sound. A blend contains 2 consonants and they each make their own sound. We learned it already in the last session. Yes. Today all of you take page number 54 and put today's date. Today's date 19th December 2020. Today we can just recap blends and we can do simple exercise also. Okay. Yes. See. First one. PL. PL makes a sound. We learned it already. PL makes a sound. Pl. PL makes a sound. Pl. Yes, all say PL. Pl. P for P. P makes a sound P. L makes a sound L. And PL together blends together and makes a sound Pl. And examples. See. Plan. P-L-A-N. Plan. Plan. Plant. Next one. Yes, all try to read. Plant. Pl plus ant. Plant. P-L ant. Ant. Plant. Next one. Pl O-T. Ot. Pl ot. Pl plus ot. Plot. Then next one, plum, pl plus plum, pl plus plum. Yes. Then next one, plane, plane, plane. Okay. Then next blend, cr makes a sound. Cr blends together and makes a sound what? Cr. Yes. See the examples. crabs, crab, plus ab, crab. Then next crib, plus ib, crib. Cr को हम कैसे बोलेंगे? क्र, then ib, crib. Okay. Then cry, cry. Then cross, cr makes a sound. Os, plus os, cross. Then next one, dr. This all we had learned in the last session. We are just recapping it. Okay. Yes. All read with me. So dr makes a sound. Dr makes a sound. Dr. Yes. See here. drink. Dr makes a sound. Dr. Ink. Ink. Dr plus ink. Drink. Okay. Then can you able to read these words now? Okay. drum. Dr plus Dr plus drum. Dr plus drum. Okay. Then dry. Dr plus dry. Dry means suka. Then drop. drop. Dr plus drop. Dr plus drop. Dr plus op drop. Then next one, gl makes a sound what? Yes, say gl. Praniti, say gl makes a sound. Gl. Yes, see the examples. glass, gl plus as, glass. Gl plus as, glass. Next one, glad, gl plus add, glad. Gl plus add, glad. Then next one, glum, gloomy, glum. glum, gl plus glum plus glum. Gl plus glum. Then next one, fl makes a sound. Fl makes a sound what? Fleur. Yes, this also we learned the last session. Fleur. flip, fleur plus ip, ip. Fleur plus ip, flip. Fleur plus ip, flip. Flip. flip, flip. Okay. fly. Yes, try to read you. fly, fly. fly, fly. flag, flag. Flag. Okay. Yes. Now take page number 55. Page number 55. Here you put today's date 19/12/2020 and this is our classwork. Okay. Here see, complete the sentences below by filling the blanks. Yes, we have to complete this sentence by filling the blanks. Picture is given here. We have to find out the correct word. Yes, read it. Kim has a dash, flood dash. Kim has a flood means blend. Flood dash. What is this? Flag. Yes, flood plus ag, flag. So we will write what here? ag, ag. flag, flag. Okay. Then second one. The CR dash is in the sun. The CR dash is in the sun. What is in the sun? Yes, what is this? Crab. Here CR already given. So what we have to fill here? Ab, crab. CRAB, crab. Crab plus ab, crab. The crab is in the sun. Then third one, Jim has a plum dash. What is this? Plum. This is a plum. So plum plus plum. PLUM UM. Now say PLUM plum. Jim has a plum. Okay. Then next one, the lad has a dash. What is this? Drum. So dr plus drum. 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 Then last one, Tim can fly. This is also what? Blend, no? Fly on a dash. Tim can fly on a dash. What is this? Plane. So plus a, plane. A-N-E. Tim can fly on a plane. Okay. Can you able to read these sentences? Yes, once again see this. Kim has a flag. The crab is in the sun. Third sentence. Jim has a plum. Fourth one. The lad has a drum. Fifth one. Tim can fly on a plane. Okay. Then you have to watch the videos daily or correctly. आज के वीडियो आज ही देखना, कल के वीडियो कल ही देखना वैसे, ठीक है? Then only you can able to understand. Then see the next one, next blends. This also we learned yesterday. Sorry, in the last session. Yes, see this. F for fr. Read the words aloud. F-R-O-G. Yes. Frog. Yes. The next one. F-R-O-C-K. Yes, all try to read better. F-R-O-C-K. Plus ok, frog. Okay. Then F-R-Y. Fry. Fry. Very good. Then next one. PR. PR makes a sound. PR makes a sound what? Pr. See this. P-R-A-M. Pram. Pra plus am. Pram. Okay. P-R-A-Y. So PR makes a sound. Pra. A-Y. A. Pray. P-R-A-Y. Pray. Then next one. P-R-E-S-S. Press. P-R-E-S-S. Press. So all say press. Okay. Together we have to read what? We will read like this. Press. P-R-E-S-S. Press. Then next blend. SM makes a sound. Sm. Here S-M-E-L-L-S. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Okay. Then next one. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Smiling. She is smiling. Hasri hai na. Then S-M-A-L-L. Small. This is small. This is big. This is small. Then next one. GR makes a sound what? GR makes a sound gr. See this. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Okay. Then G-R-O-W. Grow. Then finish. Then S-T makes a sound stir. S-T-O-P. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Then S-P makes a sound what? Spur. S-P-I-L-L. Spur plus ill. Spill. Yes, all right. Spill. Yes. Now all of you take page number 56 also. Page number 56. See here also. You can do one simple exercise. Choose the correct letters to complete the spellings under each picture. First you put today's date here, 19th December 2020, and this is also your classwork. Okay. Yes. Choose the correct letters. Some letters are given, means blends are given here. We have to choose the correct letter from the blanks from here, and we have to fill this blank. Okay. See. F-R, P-R, S-M, G-R. Fr, pr, sma, gr. Okay. See this. See the first picture. S. What is this? S. Frog. What is this? Dash O-C-K. So what will come here? Frog. Fra. Is it frog? Yes. frog. So write here F-R-O-C-K already given. Okay. Frog. Finished. Then see the next one. Dash O-G dash og dash og. What is this? Yes, frog. Frog. So find frog. Frog. Fra. Is it fra? Yes. F-R makes a sound fra. So we have to write here what? F-R-O-G. Frog. Clear all? Then see the next picture. What is this? Pram. Pram. Dash am. Pram. So here pra. Pra. Which blend makes a sound? Pra. P-R. P-R together makes a sound pra. So here F-R आएगी नहीं. P-R. Fram नहीं. Pram. Pram. So P-R. P-R-A-M. Pram. Pram. Okay. Then she is, next see the next picture. She is praying. Dash A-Y. So what will come here? F-R. Fray. No. P-R. Pray. P-R-A-Y. Pray. Yes. P-R-A-Y. Pray. P-R-A-Y. Pray. Then see the next one. This boy is smelling flower. Smelling a flower. So smell. Here will come smell. So smell. Sma. Sma makes a sound. Which letter combines, joins together? S-M. See. Sma. Is it sma? No. Is it sma? No. S-M. Is it sma? S. Sma. Smell. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. So here will come on S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Okay. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Then she, see the next picture. She is smiling. She is smiling. So smile. Smile. S-M. So here is S-M. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Then see the next picture. What is this? S. Grass. 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 So what will come here? F-R. No. P-R. No. S-M. No. G-R. Yes. Grass. Grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Okay. Clear all? Then see the last one. S. Green color. Which color is this? Green color. Green color. So dash E-E-N. E. F-R. No. P-R. No. Preen हो जाएगी ना. Smeen. S-M means smeen हो जाएगी. No. Wrong. Green. S. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Very good. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Okay. Yes. Now all of you take out our English notebook. Take the new page. Take the new page. Yes. First you put today's date 19th December 2020. Then you put CW classwork. Finished? Yes. The first line you put the heading fill F-I-L-L fill in the correct C-O-R-R-E-C-T correct blends B-L-E-N-D-S blends. And the next line इधर टीचर ने ड्रॉ करने के टाइम ऊपर आ गई. You can put write here also. ठीक है. In the next line you write TR in the bracket you put TR comma SM comma PL comma CL comma ST. Okay. TR SM PL CL ST. Yes. Then number 1. First one plate. Simply you draw one oval shape. Here also one oval shape like this. Plate. Okay. Plate. This is a plate. And in the dash here dash ATE. Dash ATE. So in the dash we have to fill from here. We have to choose the correct blend from here. Okay. Yes. TRAT trade. No. SMAT smate. No. PL. Plate means plate. Pl. Which letter blends together makes the sound pl? PL. Yes. Here is PL. So here we have to write what? PL. PLATE. Plate. Are you clear now? Then number 2, one tree. Yes, draw one simple tree here. Okay, simple tree. Then here dash double E. Yes, what is this? Tree. Tree means tree. T-R. Okay, here is tree. T-R. What will come here? T-R double E tree. Yes, T-R double E tree. Yes. Then next one, what is this? One star. Draw one star. Okay, simple star. You can draw one simple star. This is a star. Dash A-R. Star, which sound blends together and makes a sound star? Yes, S-T, star. Yes, where is S-T? Here? No. This is स्टार हो जाएगी. This is स्मार, है ना. S-M-A-R डालेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगी? स्मार. P-L-A-R प्लार, no. C-L-A-R no. S-T-A-R स्टार. S-T-A-R स्टार. S-T-A-R. अब एक लेटर को रख के देख लिया, ठीक है, तो आपको इजी हो जाएगी फिर. S स्टार. फिनिश. देन नेक्स्ट वन स्माइल. S smile. T-R no. S-M yes. S-M smile. S-M-I-L-E sorry. S-M-I-L-E smile. Yes. M-I-L-E smile. Dash I-L-E. ठीक है, dash I-L-E. Then last one, draw one simple cloud. ठीक है. Then dash O-U-D. Dash O-U-D. In the dash we have to write what? S cloud. C-L cloud. C-L मिल गई. C-L. Okay, so here we will write what? C-L. C-L-O-U-D cloud. S. See once again. First one P-L dash A-T-E plate. P-L-A-T-E plate. Then next one dash W-E. S. T-R W-E tree. Then third one dash A-R. S. S-T-A-R star. Then fourth one dash I-L-E. S. S-M-I-L-E smile. Then last one dash O-U-D. Dash O-U-D. C-L-O-U-D cloud. Okay. Our classwork finished. Today's classwork finished. Yes, now we can do our homework. I am giving you homework. All of you take out our cursive practice book. Open page number 5050. Till 49 we completed. 49 तक पेज नंबर 49 तक हमारी हो गई. Yesterday 50 and 51. 50 and 51. Here in the top you put today's date 19/12/2020 HW homework. And here also 19/12/2020 HW homework. Okay. Simple sentence. This is just a sentence practicing. Yes. See the first one. Yes. All read with me. This is a net. This is a net. Right here. T-H-I-S. This is a net. N-E-T net. Then what we have to put here? Full stop. कोई लोग फुल स्टॉप नहीं डाला है. कोई बुक्स में फुल स्टॉप नहीं है, सिर्फ दिस इज अ नेट ऐसे ब्लैंक छोड़ा है. नहीं, दैट इज नॉट द करेक्ट सेंटेंस. टीचर ने बोला है व्हेन सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स वी हैव टू राइट द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस स्टार्ट्स विद अ कैपिटल लेटर and ends with the full stop. You can learn more about sentence the first and that also I told you. Abhi in here we have to start the letter sentence with the first letter and ends with the full stop. Last में full stop, question mark, exclamatory mark ऐसा आएगा. कुछ punctuation marks आएगा here, but here we have to put only full stop. ठीक है, ये बुक में हमको सिर्फ अभी आपको क्या डालना है? full stop डालना है. So this is a net and don't forget to put the full stop. Full stop में नहीं तो sentence क्या हो जाएगी? गलत हो जाएगी. ठीक है. Then complete it here. ये 3 लाइन में आप कर देना. Then next one, next sentence. This is a pet. This is a pet. T-H-I-S. This I-S is a pet. P-E-T pet. Then full stop. Then complete 4 lines you complete. This is a pet. You write it. Then next page. This is a jet. You know, no? This is a jet. T-H-I-S. This I-S is a J-E-T, jet. Full stop. This is a jet. Write it here. Full. This is a jet. Then last sentence. This is a bed. This is a bed. Yes. T-H-I-S. This I-S is a bed. B-E-T, bed. Full stop. Completed. Today itself we can see another topic in the next session. Till then, bye-bye.